Hello students, a very good morning today, and in previous video I have solved the remaining questions of exercise 2.2, which is based on the operation of multiplication of a fraction with the whole number with the fraction of a fraction, and lots of our problem have been solved. And today I will discuss about the next operation, which is known as division of fraction. Okay, so students, there are some concept are given in the division of fraction, and you have to follow the instruction which I have given. And in the same way, if you want to divide the fraction by a whole number, if you want to divide division of fraction, division of fraction. So student, in this topic there are two types of division. First one is a fraction, a whole number divided by a fraction. If a whole number divided by a fraction, then what we to do? First of all, you have to write whole number and remove this division operator by multiplicative operator, and write the reciprocal of the fraction. Reciprocal of fraction. So students, this is the concept which you have to learn, that if you want to divide a whole number by a fraction, then you have to remove the division operator by multiplicative operator, and after that you have to write the reciprocal of that fraction. It means in previous video I have also gave the concept of division of fraction and reciprocal of fraction. I have given the reciprocal of fraction because if you want to write fraction if you want to change the fraction into reciprocal, then it is very easy. You have to reverse the numerator in the place of denominator, and denominator in the place of numerator. Now second type is a fraction one divided by fraction 2. So students, if this type of division are given, then you have to apply again the same rule by this, and you have to remove this operator by multiplicative operator and write the reciprocal of fraction number 2. Okay, so student, memorize all the steps you have to follow for division of fraction. Okay, now we are moving on exercise 2.3, which is based on division of fraction, which I have given the concept. Exercise 2.3. So students, we are moving on next exercise 2.3. In this exercise you have to solve the following. First question is solve the following: 3 by 8 divide by 15 upon 24. Okay, so this is the type of fraction by division of fraction by a fraction. Okay, so apply the concept which I have given. you have to remove this operator by this multiplicative operator and write the reciprocal of this fraction. It means you have to write this denominator in the place of numerator and write the this numerator in the place of denominator. So student, this is the example of the multiplication of fraction by a fraction, and I have given the concept in previous video that first of all you have to check that any numerator or any denominator or any numerator is cancelled with each other. If numerator or denominator cancel with each other, then first of all you have to cancel like this. 8 1 are 8, 8 3 are 24, 3 1 are 3, 3 5 are 15. Then we will get 3 1 are 3 and 5 1 are 5. Now this is the answer. So it is very easy question. Now we are moving our next exercise. Question is 4 write 3 by 4 divided by 8. So student, this is the example of a fraction by a whole number. Division of fraction by a whole number. So again we have to apply the same method. First of all you have to convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. 4 4 is 16, 16 plus 3 19 upon 4, 19 upon 4, and you have to write division, you have to remove division operator by multiplicative operator and write the reciprocal of 8. So student, you have to, if you want to write the reciprocal of 8, first of all you have to write the 8 in the form of fraction. So 8 can be written in the form of fraction is like this. Okay, now the reciprocal of 8 upon 1 is 1 upon 8. Now there are no numerator and denominator which cancel with each other, so you have to simply multiply the numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. 4 8 are 32 and this is the answer. Very easy question. Now students, we are moving over another type of question is H part is 13 divided by 3 write 1 by 4. First of all you have to write by this fraction. You have to express 13 by the fraction and remove this operator and convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. 4 3 are 12 plus 1, 13 upon 4. Now there are no numerator and denominator which cancel with each other, so multiply the numerator by numerator. 13 13 are 169 upon 4 1 are 4. So student, this is the example of improper fraction and you have to convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction. Like this, 4 4 is 16, 4 2 is 8, then we will get 42 write 1 by 4. Now this is the answer. Now we are moving our next type of question. Question number 2. Question number 2 is simplify the following. In this question, in this type of question, there are also the different type of example of division of fraction. 4 upon 9 divided by 2 upon 5 plus 3 upon 5. So students, in this question, first of all you have to solve the bracket part, and in the bracket part you have to add. So this is very easy addition because both the fraction are like fraction. So the denominator is 5 and 3 plus 2 is also equal to 5. 5 cancel, then we will get 4 upon 9 divided by 1. So the answer of this question is 4 upon 9, because you are all know that if any fraction divided by 1 or if any number divided by 1, then we will get the same answer. Okay. Now we are moving on next question, second C part. 4 right 2 by 5 divide by 6 right 2 by 7 multiply by 7 right 2 by 9. So all the fraction are next example of mixed fraction. So first of all you have to convert all these fraction into improper fraction. 4 5 5 4 is 20 plus 2 22 upon 5 divided by 7 6 is 42 and 2 44 upon 7 multiply 9 7 is 63 or 2 65 upon 9. Now students, you have to remove this division operator by multiplicative operator and change the fraction into reciprocal fraction. So we have first of all you have to look the possibilities that there are any numerator and denominator cancel with each other. Yes, because 22 1 is 22, 22 2 is 44 and 5 1 is 5, 5 13 is 65. Then we will get 13 7 is 91 and 9 2 is 18. So student, this is the another example of improper fraction, and you have to convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction. 18 5 is 90. We will get the remainder 1. Now this is the final answer. Okay. Now students, pause the video to note it down in your copy or take a screenshot. So students, now we are moving on next question. Question number 3 is the word problem, and it is also based on the unitary method which you have studied in the previous class, like 5th and 6th. So the given question is saying that cost of 2 dozen bananas is rupees 24 upon 30. Is rupees 24 upon 30. What is the cost of 1 banana? So student, this is the question of unitary method, and in unitary method question you have to given the value of greater than 1 and you have to find for 1, then apply the concept of unitary method. So first of all you have to solution, you have to given since cost of 2 dozen banana means you are all know that what is the value of 1 dozen. 1 dozen means 12, so 2 dozen means 24. Since 1 dozen is equal to 12, then 2 dozen means 2 into 12, it means 24. So student, this shows that 24, the cost of 24 bananas is this. So you have to find the cost of 1 banana. Now given cost of 24 bananas is equal to rupees 24 upon 30, then cost of 1 banana is equal to so for 1 you have to divide 24/30 by 24, then we will get the cost of 1 banana. So students, you are all know the concept of how can we divide the fraction by a whole number. Okay, first of all you have to remove this division operator by multiplicative operator, and you have to write this whole number, the reciprocal of this whole number. So what is the reciprocal of 24? Is 1/24. Now 24 and 24 is cancelled, then we will get 1/30. So students, this is the answer of this question, that the cost of 1 banana is equal to 1/30. So students, pause the video to note it down in your copy or take a screenshot. Now students, we are moving our next question, in question number 5. So students, first of all I want to say something, that from question 3 to question number 13 is based on word problem, and in these word problem you have to apply the concept of division of fraction. So first of all you have to write, if you want to write the solution of word problem, so you have to given the solution in steps. So students, listen carefully. If you want to give the solution of the word problem, then you have to follow these steps for solving this word problem. Okay, without given step, if you try to solve this question in direct method, then this is not correct. First of all you have to write all the steps which is given in the question, and then apply the concept of division of fraction. Okay, now question number 4 is your homework part, so it is try to by yourself. Now we are reading the question number 5. Rupa has this ₹506, write 1/4 rupees, and she wants to distribute. It means she wants to distribute means बांटना चाहती है, to it equally among 45 people, मतलब 45 लोगों में वो बराबर रुपीस बांटना चाहती है. Then how much money each person will get? Each means 1 होता है, मतलब कि कितने जो है अमाउंट है सभी को मिलेंगे अगर वो इक्वली जो है डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करना चाहती है. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द सॉल्यूशन. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू हैव टू राइट दैट amount of Rupa, or you have to write in this way, that total amount of Rupa has is equal to 5, right? 506, right? 1/4 rupees. Convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. 4 6 are 24 and 4 5 are 20 plus 1. Then we will get 2025/4 rupees. Now students, according to problem, this amount will be distributed in 45 people, so equally. So first of all you have to divide this rupees by 45, then we will get for amount for each person, and number of people is equal to 45, then each person will get amount is equal to 2025 upon 4 divided by 40. Now students, you are all know the concept of division by a fraction by a whole number. You have to remove this division by this. You have to write the reciprocal of 45 is 1 upon 45. Now 5 9 ja 45, 5 4 ja 20, and you have to write 0, then 5 5 ja 25. Again this is divided by 9, 9 1 ja 9, and 9 4 ja 36, 9 4 ja 36. Then we will get 4, 9 5 ja 55. So students, we will get the solution is 45 upon 4, and this is the improper fraction, so we can express this improper fraction into mixed fraction. Then we will get 11 right 1 upon 4, because 11 4 is 44 or plus 1 45. So this is the answer of this question, and please take the screenshot or pause the video to note it down in your copy. Okay students, so now all the concept, I hope all the concept today I have given you are all understand, and this is the concept of division for a whole number by a fraction or for a fraction by a fraction, and lots of questions I have today solved. So student, you have to solve the remaining question from 1 to 5 which I have left today. So from 1 to 5 it is your homework part. Is you have to given homework is solve the remaining question, solve the remaining question from 1 to 5 of exercise 2.3. okay student, so in next video I will solve the remaining question of exercise 2.3. okay, so thank you very much for being with us.